Alright viewers, it's your favorite uncle here. Today we're receiving a new toy, which is bike Falcon Pro from 79 Bikes. Oh, it's raining, no way. Guys, it's so random to have rainy days in Dubai, and we have them quite a lot these days. Oh, hello.
Good to see you. How's it going?
How are you?
Yeah, good to see you. So,
Is it Christmas today?
yeah, sort of. Ahead of time. So,
Mamma mia. Okay guys, we can actually enter with the van to my parking lot. Will be easier.
right?
Yeah.
Yep, sure.
Yeah?
We'll follow you then.
Alright. We can reverse here actually.
You start capturing now, right? From the
Yes, I'm capturing everything. Damn. So I will be able to assemble the bike. I'm not like a pro mechanic, so that will be also like good for you guys to see like how amateur mechanic can assemble this bike. I hope very easy and quick. I say bye and thank you so much.
See you around there.
Yeah, see you around.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Get the helmet.
Ah, yeah, I do have. Thank you so much. See you guys. All right, guys. I'm gonna have to bring the lights. I actually like this scenario here. It's like, you know, look, it's so many bikes. We're gonna do unboxing here. I'm gonna bring nice lights here. Stay till the end of this video. Don't forget to follow your uncle on all social media. Don't forget to follow 79Bike. And let's go. All right, guys, here we are. Unboxing of Falcon Pro from 79Bike. Let's take the coverage first. Ooh. I don't have knife. All right, guys, I brought the scissors. So as you can see, the unboxing, I'm doing totally unprepared. So, okay, 1, 2. This I will move. Okay, and okay, this one. It's open. I hope you can see it from this camera on the top. What we have inside. Box of paper. Just a bit. Yes. All right, let's put it all here. What's that? Small stuff, and I think that will go here. I don't know, we're gonna find out, guys. So now we're gonna try to see what we have here. Charger, all right. That's a charger. Let's unbox it here. We have a manual here. It's actually a small charger. Look at that. Look at the size of it. It's like my hand. It's like the size of my hand. That's actually cool. It's a very small, tiny charger. All right. That's the brush. What's this actually? No way. Look at that. We get the, look. That's cool. It's solid. Embrace the future, ride beyond limits. See, we have box number 2, accessory box. Look at that, guys. So what we have here, it should be enough to assemble the bike, apparently, or no? Look. Yeah. We have a thing for the keys. It's nice branding, 79Bike everywhere. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Nice thing. Pegs. Okay. Oh, they are solid. They are really solid. And key number 12 and number 14. So I think we're gonna use just these few tools to assemble the bike. Pretty interesting. All right, do we have anything else here? I don't see anything else. We have a keys. We have 2 keys. So first I have to unscrew the light.
Is this like the ones with these? I've seen the kids drive like a small.
Yeah, but this one is one of the most powerful. It's 79Bike Falcon Pro. You can go almost up to 100. Yeah. So I just.
You got it imported or you got it from Dubai?
So I got it from Dubai. They have actually the storage in Dubai.
And it works with petrol or battery?
No. It's electric, full electric. Yeah.
Looks sick, man.
It's look, yeah. I tested out before on the motocross track, and it's doing like pretty good. Yeah, pretty good.
But is it like what, a dirt bike kind of thing?
It's between. Like still at the desert, it will drain the battery too fast because the tires are not so thick. But still, it's a lot of fun, you know.
It's kind of crazy. He gave you a delivery and then you gotta fix it. It's kind of fun.
Yeah, exactly. I'm glad there's not too much to fix. I just have to assemble the front wheel, the steering wheel.
And what about this? This looks kind of fancy.
Yeah, because I'm recording the vlog and no, it's fine, no worries. If you want, I can blur your face if you want.
No, I don't mind.
Yeah. So yeah.
I didn't want to be in your.
No worries. This is like, you know, I'm just doing.
Are you a blogger or something?
I'm just doing for fun, you know. Like it's called a Dubai Uncle, you know. But also this one is my dream car.
The Cayenne, huh?
Yeah, it's a Cayenne. It's fully customized.
Yeah?
Fully customized, everything.
What's your name? Dubai Uncle?
Yeah, the Dubai Uncle.
The Dubai.
Yeah. Nice to meet you. All right, guys. I think I'm doing the right thing. That's the handbrake. And so many mosquitoes, by the way. I'm glad I put the long pants because the other day I got bitten so badly here. So far, as you see, it's pretty easy. That's the correct one. All right. Let's put it a bit lower. So for this, I have to use the small imbus. This is how we call them? Oh no. Tell me in the comments. The station I built here actually is pretty interesting, and everyone are just passing by and asking like, what are you doing, dude? And what I'm doing? I'm assembling the bike. Okay, that way. Bam. Voila! The part where I'm keeping bike on, because I don't have professional stand, it's doing pretty good job. So now we're gonna have to put the wheel on. Another challenge. Oh yeah. You have to take something like that, look. Okay, now I know. So we're getting also something like this, yeah? It's attached to the wheel. Small stuff, and I think that will go here. I don't know, we're gonna find out, guys. You have to put it here. Oh my God. Whew. Almost there, guys. That was good work, Uncle. That was good work. This we don't need. Okay, the last part, I think. Haha, look, I forgot about the most important part, where I'm gonna put my feet. All right, I think we have to clean up a bit here. And remember this piece. Keep it, you will use it later, don't throw it from beginning. Subscribe to the channel, follow your uncle on social media, the Dubai Uncle. Type the comment below, what do you think about the electric bikes, and if you ever try, which type of content would you like to see your uncle to do and test with this bike, Falcon Pro from 79Bike, and yeah. I'm just attaching the last details and I can't wait to test it out. Sorry, I'm sweating a bit and I didn't go barber. At least I did the mustache, the uncle mustache a bit. See guys, I have the all equipment, like video equipment, like red cameras, Sony cameras, lights, everything. This is the first time I think since I don't remember when I'm actually using my equipment for myself, for filming myself. That's crazy. See? That's the small part here. Up. So basically, as they told me from beginning, the toolkit what is coming with the bike is more than enough to assemble the bike, the full bike. Why red? Because it's freaking beautiful reddish. And yeah, what do you think, guys? Good job, Uncle. Good job, Uncle. Voila. Voila. And now, for that, viewers, I'm gonna take the camera from here. And we're gonna do it together. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Beautiful. Look, the light is working. Nice. Sick. All right. Before I check the all features, like, you know, the all features and up and everything, I want to try one thing. And you know what's that thing? Okay. Sport, eco, driver. We want eco. Let's. Where is actually? There's some light. Yo. That's so much fun. That's so cool. Look there. Beep. All right, let's go. We are not driving so fast, guys. It's just up to 20 because we are in my garage. So I don't want to push it too much. That's why tomorrow we're gonna take it away, like more outside, and we're gonna use it the full power. For now, we're just testing the bike. Whew. I love it. I love it. Ding, 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 ding. All right.